I am in every way encumbered by all of the things that I know. I know exactly what I want, and I know how exactly I want people to see me. Right now, I am not doing that because mostly I've been lazy and I didn't have the motivation for this and a lot of things. But that's beside the point. The point is, the previous content isn't what I want this channel to be. I'm going to be spending like 2 weeks. I'm going to see you guys again in 2 weeks. I'm going to be spending 2 weeks trying to reinvent myself and like do things exactly the way I want them to be done. So there's going to be a change, and there's going to be a difference in how I do things and how I am seen. Yes. I am not currently happy with how things are, but that is entirely an effort issue, and so I will be putting a bit more effort into doing this. It's not that I hate this, it's that I am not doing it as best as I want. I know this is the beginning, yeah. I don't care. I'm this person, and so things are going to have to change a bit. Hopefully you will like it, but don't particularly care. I want to share the cool stuff. I was this close to swearing. I want to share the cool stuff that I can do and will be doing instead of just teaching. No offense to the teachers, they are far greater than I will ever be. Teachers are amazing. I literally just recorded a video where I spent like 12 minutes talking about a class that Michael Reeves wrote, trying to describe to you how programmers see code, how programmers see the world, etc. And even though I have the capacity to share all of that knowledge with you, it is not what I want my content to be. It is not how I want to be seen. Like, as much as I want to educate and inform, I also want to be entertaining. I also want to be one of the people that watches my own content, and currently that is not it. That is not it, and that's bad. I have to want to watch my own content, because otherwise, what the hell am I doing? You know? What the hell am I doing? Like, there's so many cool things in the world, and I want to show off. So, see you guys in 2 weeks. What we have here is a calibration.py, meaning that this class was supposed to calibrate the, right? So, first things first, it says the O drive calibration, and then the homing calibration, and then the movement support. Now, these things called a class, right? So basically, programmers have figured out that if you use this thing called object-oriented programming, you are able to describe ideas as entire objects, and then you work with those objects to complete tasks. So think about a car engine, right? We would take the car's engine as an object. So, yes, we would take the car's engine as an object. To describe the car object, we would have to create a car class. Now, what would the car engine have? It would have pistons. It would have the block. It would have the fuel intake, and then the